Hey fam, today we'll be learning one-step equations using adding and subtracting. Have fun! Peace out! Ha ha!
This is Southwest 212 and this is Mr. Judy. We're doing some math. To solve this equation, I need to figure out, is my variable on the left or the right? The equal sign divides our equation into two pieces, a left and the right. So this plus 5 needs to go away. We're going to get rid of it by doing the opposite. Minusing 5 on both sides. That's called doing the inverse, or doing the opposite. So now we'll rewrite what we get. Plus and minus 5 makes a 0, so we just have x on the left. And we're going to do 12 minus 5 on the right, and we got our problem solved because we got x on the left by itself. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Now we're going to take a look at a subtraction problem. Okay, on this one, I notice my variable is on the left. There's a number on that same side that needs to go away. Since it's a minus 7, we're going to do plus 7 on both sides of the equal sign on the left and the right. So negative 7 and positive 7 goes away. We just have x on the left. Now to figure out the right, we just do 10 plus 7. And we used opposite operations to do that. So if it was adding, we used subtraction. If it was subtraction, we used addition. Over and out.